Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert text and image watermark in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show. Now I can see insert text and image watermark. Now going to the view one option, then click. Now click for a master page option. At first, now going to the insert option. Firstly, insert from picture, then choose picture. Now click from select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see now resize your picture. Now this picture is from transparency. Now going to the format button option, then click for a format setting option. Now picture transparency from. Now click for picture option. Transparency 50%. Now click OK. That is. Now firstly insert picture watermark and text watermark from. Now going to the home menu option, then click for draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now select from text. Now change the size. Now size from 100. Now you can see this text. Now going to the fill color option. Now select from a color. Now choose from white color. Now select from text. Now going to the format option, then click going to the text editing option. Now click for a fill effect option, then transparency from 30%. Now click OK, then close the interface. Now click for close the master page option. That is. Now type for text, another text. Then we can see insert text and image watermark in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.